Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to change your Roblox password if you forgot. So to do that, there are some ways you can reset your password, like you reset your password using an email. Select forgot password or username on the Roblox login page. You will see the recover your Roblox account title on this recovery page. Enter your email address in the box, press the submit button, and an email with instructions will be sent to the email address that is currently associated with your account. Press the reset password button in the email and the reset password page will be open. And in here, enter and confirm your new password. Press the submit button. Make sure to create a new password. Do not use your old password or use a password from another account. And then there's another way. You can also reset your password using a phone number. You have to go to the forgot password or username page. And here, if you do not have any email address attached to your account, but you do have a phone number, you will need to click the phone tab to reset your password via phone number and select your country code. Enter your phone number in phone number box and press continue. Select verify and complete the process. This will send a 6-digit number to your phone. Enter the code and code number in the box. Press the verify button and the reset password page will open. And in here, enter and confirm your new password. Press the submit button. And yeah, this is how you can just change the Roblox password if you forgot. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next video.